Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about single level inheritance. Inheritance is one of the major concepts which comes under object oriented programming language, and inheritance is one of the process in which we create a new class from one of the existing class. So there are different types of inheritance, just like as a single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. But in this video, our focus will be on single level inheritance. So when there is a one base class and one derived class, so such type of inheritance is called as single level inheritance. As you can see that in this example, so the base class name is person and derived class name is employee. Base class having some data and can have some methods also. Similarly, the employee class can have some data and methods also. So whenever we will do the inheritance, at that time the employee class will inherit all the properties and members of the person class. This is the example of single level inheritance in Java language. So here you can see that we have written a person class with some data and with some methods. So data here is name and age, and method name is accept and display. And we have created one more class and its name is employee class, which is extending the functionality of person class. So it's mean that here we have used a single level inheritance. So in employee class we have some additional data, that is employee designation and salary, and we have certain methods like accept one, display one. So here whenever we will use the extends keyword in order to achieve the single level inheritance, at that time all the properties and all the members of person class will automatically come into this employee class. So when we will create an object of employee class in the main method, at that time from even object, as you can see here, we would be able to access all the data and methods of this person and employee class. This is another example of single level inheritance where we are making use of constructor in a class. So here we have taken a person class, in that one we are taking a constructor in order to initialize the name and age of the person class, and we are taking a display method to display the name and age. So here we are creating a derived class, and derived class name is employee, which is extending the functionality of person class. And for the employee class we have designation and salary, and in employee class also we are using the concept of constructor. So now you have to note here that whenever we use the single level inheritance or any inheritance, at that time all the members of the base class get automatically inherited into the derived class except the constructor. So here, as the constructor is not inherited in derived class, so we have to pass some arguments to the base class constructor. So here if you will see the total number of arguments in employee class, it would depend upon the number of variables in base class plus number of variables in derived class. So here the first two arguments will be passed to the base class by using super keyword, and remaining two argument will be used here to initialize the designation and salary data. So other than this constructor, we are using display one function. In that one we are first calling the display method of base class, and then we are printing the data of this particular class. In main method we are passing four arguments to the employee class constructor, and employee class constructor further will pass first two arguments using super keyword to the base class. So here the purpose of super keyword is to pass some arguments to the base class constructor and to initialize the data of base class constructor. And by using display one, we can display all the details of person class and employee class. For more detail on single level inheritance, you can refer these references. Thank you for watching this video.